Meaning of ephemera.
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 Ephemera. Ephemera refers to things that are intended to be used or enjoyed for only a short time. This term typically applies to objects like tickets, flyers, and other printed materials that are meant to be discarded after use. Ephemeral items are often considered disposable or insignificant, but they can also have historical or cultural significance. In some cases, collectors may seek out rare or valuable ephemera as a way of preserving a piece of history or culture. Overall, ephemera can offer a glimpse into the past and the everyday lives of people in a particular time and place.